You're doing good work. You're consistent, reliable, you deliver. But your boss doesn't notice, or at least it feels that way. No recognition, no visibility, no movement. So you ask yourself, why am I being overlooked? Today, I want to talk to you about why your boss doesn't see your value and how to fix it. This is frustrating because you know your effort. You see your work, but effort alone is not what gets you noticed. Your boss isn't tracking effort, they're tracking signals. And if your signals are weak, your value becomes invisible. Let's talk about the patterns. You assume your work speaks. It doesn't. Leaders translate their work. They explain impact. They connect it to outcomes. That's what gets noticed. You complete tasks. Your boss thinks in outcomes. Revenue, efficiency, risk. If your work isn't connected, it feels small. Your work stays in your lane. Your boss sees across teams. If your impact doesn't travel, your value stays contained. You're doing good work, but it's not positioned correctly, so it doesn't register. Not at the level that matters. This is where it shifts. Don't describe tasks, describe outcomes. Ask what changed, what improved, what moved forward. Make that clear. Tie your work to bigger goals, such as revenue, efficiency, time saved, risk reduced. Speak that language. Don't assume they see it. They don't. Share updates. Highlight results. Be clear and direct. Don't stay isolated. Collaborate across teams. Increase exposure. Let your work travel. Being valuable is not enough. You must be seen as valuable. The people who get recognized don't just do good work. They make sure the right people understand it. If you feel overlooked despite strong performance, this is your signal. Shift how you communicate. Shift how you position yourself. And if you want to grow faster with clarity and strategy, subscribe.